Good morning. Today is the last day here at Canim Lake, and we're packing up, and then we're going to be heading down to Anacortes, Washington. So we're really excited about that. Last night I got a hotel rather than staying in the van. We go down there, take showers, finish up our laundry, and that kind of stuff. We're really excited about going to see Pam and seeing where she lives now. So it's going to be a nice visit, and pay attention to where we go and see the adventures that we can get into today. Okay, this is the last look at South Point Resort for the year. I want to thank Leanne and Bear for being such great hosts and hostesses. Hopefully down the road we'll be back and spend some time here. Last look at Canim Lake General Store. That was the hub of excitement back in the day. Okay, show them what we found. We got two of the Kit Kats. One's cookie dough and one's caramel. And then the toffee. Those were so cool. The kids will be so excited we didn't forget them.
Well, we took the bypass because we thought the fire still had Highway 1 closed for miles down the bypass, and then found out that Highway 1's not closed, but we weren't going back, so we're going to continue down 97C. Still says we got 5 hours or 4.5 hours to get there. Not a bad deal. Off we go to Anacortes. So this is like the best rest stop ever. Got sandwiches, samosas, hot dogs, and smokies. I had a big old sausage and we got 2 samosas. That was delicious. I wish every rest stop had something like that. Well, that was the border. Welcome to Washington. Now we got about 60 miles to get to Anacortes. Just coming into Anacortes. Looks like we got about 3 minutes to go.
Yes?
Are we in the right place?
What do you got
I
there?
don't know. Do you think?
No, this is a video camera.
Hi.
Oh, look at him.
Hi.
Oh, look at him.
Oh, it's
How you
so
doing,
good
Pam?
to see you. What are you guys all going? One down here, one up here.
We're all over the place.
Where are you staying here?
Okay. Pam's going to show us some of the house. This is the
She
kitchen.
just had one a month ago, and she's going to have another one.
And the cookies.
Okay,
Ooh.
I'm 5 years behind you, Pam, so I'm going to be 65. Ooh, that birthday, so.
Her first one was.
I'll be 75.
But your first hip.
That's more than 5 years, hon.
Yeah, it's
Yeah, I just did the math real
Yeah.
quick.
I know. I did it.
So,
Oh, this is nice.
this was all
That's
popcorn.
Mount Baker. That's what we see.
Oh, that is beautiful.
This used to all be popcorn ceiling.
Oh, yeah, that's
It was bad. This whole room in here, was totally
Oh, you can even see the marina from here.
Yeah,
That is nice.
Helen.
you see everything.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
See the bare rock out there? That's called Cap Sandy.
Cap Sandy?
Yeah, and there's a parking lot on top. You can see cars if you look real close.
Yep, yep.
Anyhow, from there you can see there's a great view of the whole area.
I'll have to zoom it up when I do it, but that's Mount Baker. Look at that shining over there. Okay, we made it downtown Anacortes, and we're gonna go to the Bamboo Bistro, Thai Asian Pho, or Pho, or however they say that. So here we go. Well, Lean's probably gonna get the curry. But I think I'm kind of looking at the seafood volcano right there.
Can't you get the?
See what that one is.
Yeah.
Videotape that. That's an iced tea.
That's cool.
And here's my sake. Got the sake.
And here's my water.
Got some water. Pam got water.
That drink?
Does it look like a Shirley Temple?
I think it kind of looks like a feminine drink.
It looks a little feminine drink.
That's because I couldn't.
Okay. I got the seafood volcano. I don't know if you can hear this or not. Tony got the seafood volcano, 3.5 on the heat scale. Deneen got yellow curry. You got the eggplant, cashew chicken, 2 cashew chickens, and 2 mild volcanoes, right? Awesome. Brother, you're not drinking your foo-foo drink. Okay, well, we did a pretty good job of emptying plates.
Suicide.
Brother still didn't drink his tea.
But if I was to have some.
All right, that was fabulous.
That was good.
Fresh vegetables, good seafood. Oh, that was great. So now we have to go and check into our hotel. Okay, well, we got to our hotel, Anacortes Inn, and there's not a lot to the room. You can see there's Bella, there's the bed, and there's the air conditioning heater, microwave, and bath. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a shower and get some new clothes on. We have a lot planned for tomorrow. We're gonna go down to the marina and walk around. Hopefully it's not raining too hard, and see a little bit of this city. So until then, we will see you on the road.